How to fix TranslucentTB not working on your Windows. So first, we should know in our Windows that TranslucentTB can be acquired or installed through your Microsoft Store. So if this is not working, this is what we should do. So go to your Chrome or any browser and go to Vive tool and then download this zip right here where we are gonna install this one. So if you have extracted, you will see 4 files here, and then what you need to do is to install all the 4 files. So in installing, create a folder on your local disk C and name it zvive, and then just open up your command prompt and then follow these commands like cdc/zvive, and then this one, disable an ID. So if you have done that, what you need to do is to restart your computer. So once you have restarted your computer, open up again your TranslucentTB, and you will see that the taskbar is now translucent as shown right here in the video, and you can see it as well even you open the apps. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads, and thank you for watching.